Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Kayla here with PetMD, and today we are going to be talking about what products to get for your new pet. So maybe you have adopted a new cat or dog and you're looking for some products to start them on from our line. So we're going to talk about what products you should start your new pet on. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. You can email us, you can reach us through Amazon, you can give us a call. We're real life people here to help answer any questions about any of our products. So the first one, which I think is I think all of these products are important for our pets, but I think the most important one is dental care. 80% of all pets have some sort of dental disease by the time they're 3 years old. So if you're starting dental care for your pet at a young age, you can reduce their risk of dental disease, reduce their need to have their teeth cleaned later in life. So dental care is super important because dental disease can go on to affect their kidneys, their liver, and their heart. So dental care is super important, especially earlier in their life, but if you can't start dental care when they're young, then the second best time to start dental care is now. So the first product I'm going to talk about is our dental care, ProDen PlaqueOff, and this is super easy to give to any pet because you're just going to sprinkle it on top of their food. So the ProDen PlaqueOff, it's a daily seaweed. So the powder looks like this. So it's this little scoop. You'll sprinkle some onto their food daily, and the ProDen PlaqueOff works from within. So the seaweed works from within to help soften the plaque and the tartar that's building up on their teeth, and it helps to prevent new plaque and tartar from developing in the first place. So it's a great way to take care of their teeth without having to brush their teeth. There's the active ingredient is 100% organic, natural ProDen, which is an algae that's sustainably sourced off of the coasts of Scandinavia. It works from within, so it's effective at dissolving tartar and existing tartar and preventing new tartar and plaque buildup. It's clinically proven with multiple double-blind studies, and it's recommended by veterinarians. It's also got no additives, sugars, or extra calories. It's literally just the seaweed in there. So you don't have to worry about any extra preservatives, sugars, calories, whatever in there. It's also got VOHC certification. So the VOHC is the Veterinary Oral Health Council, and they independently verify if oral health products for our pets, dental care products for our pets work. And they have verified that the dental care works for both tartar and plaque, which is two separate distinctions. So that's two separate studies that have proven that it works on reducing plaque and tartar buildup in your pets. It's a great product overall, and the fact that you don't have to struggle to give it to your pet is a win-win. And especially if you're starting their dental care from an early age, then you're preventing that plaque and tartar from building up in the first place. So overall, a great product, especially if you have a new pet. And it says dogs on there, but this can be used for dogs and cats. It's not a large dose, so they're unlikely to find it in their food. You just mix it in once or twice a day, depending on the dosage, and it's super easy to give to them. You'll see results in about 6 to 8 weeks, so you'll start to notice less plaque and tartar buildup, or you'll notice that any existing plaque and tartar buildup will be softer and easier to get off of their teeth. The only thing I will say with the ProDen PlaqueOff is that if your pet has hyperthyroidism, which is unlikely for a new pet, but if your older pet has hyperthyroidism, the ProDen PlaqueOff is not recommended because there is, because seaweed has high levels of iodine, which is what hyperthyroid is causing, is high levels of iodine, so this would add to that. So if your pet has hyperthyroidism, just check in with your veterinarian before using this. But other than that, a great product for every pet, from puppies and kittens up to senior pets, can benefit from the dental care. So going along with dental care, the ProDen PlaqueOff works from within, and it helps to reduce the plaque and tartar, and softens the existing plaque and tartar. So what do you do with that softened plaque and tartar? The next step is getting the dental wipes, and the dental wipes are great because they combine the toothbrush and toothpaste into one wipe. So starting your pet, like I said, on dental care really young, when they're a puppy or a kitten, is super important, because then you're setting them up for knowing what's coming later in their life, and it's much easier to train a puppy or kitten to doing new things like cleaning their teeth than it is an older pet. Not that you can't train an older pet, just much easier when they're young and malleable like that. So the dental wipes are great for wiping off the plaque and tartar that has built up and has been softened by the dental care. And Brandy asked if you can use these wipes on puppies too. Yes, you can. These are not recommended for cats, but they can be used on puppies. So they're safe for puppies over 12 weeks of age. So this is what they look like. This is the wipes. They have a textured wipe. They have a textured feel to them, so you can really scrape off all of that plaque and tartar buildup and make sure that their teeth are clean and healthy and that there's nothing lingering on their teeth. And this makes it super easy to just wipe off their teeth and to keep their teeth looking nice and healthy. And like I said, it's super easy to just take a wipe. So you basically just wrap it around your finger, and then you rub it along their teeth and get off all that gunk, and you're good to go. And so you can brush their teeth as often as you feel like, at least once a week, a couple times a week. Every day would be great, but you know, dental care is probably one of the most overlooked things in pets. So at least once a week, just to make sure you're getting all of that bad stuff off of their teeth. So dental care, super important for your new pet. What else is super important for your new pet is ear cleaning, and so that's what our ear wipes are for. These are our Aloe and Eucalyptus ear wipes for dogs. So these can be used for dogs and puppies over 12 weeks of age, and ear cleaning is probably the second most important thing for your pet's overall wellness. You know, you should be checking out your pet about once a week, just going over them, looking in their ears, their eyes, their mouth, cleaning their teeth, cleaning out their ears about once a month, just to not only check for things that may have changed in them, so you can spot any changes or infections or anything like that early. It's also good to check over your pet and touch them, look in their ears, their eyes, their mouth, for when they then go to the veterinarian. Because if your pet is more comfortable with those things and you're doing them often, then it's not going to be as startling when they're at the veterinarian and your veterinarian is trying to check over them. So cleaning out their ears, especially if they have long floppy ears, if they swim a lot, it's really important to clean out their ears. So this is the Aloe and Eucalyptus ear wipes. They have a aloe and eucalyptus smell to them, and so they're the same kind of wipes as the dental wipes. They have the textured ridges so that you can get all that gunk out. We have our advanced ear wipes, which I don't have out in front of me, but our advanced ear wipes are also a really great option for cleaning pets' ears, and those ones can be used for cats. These are recommended just for dogs. And like I said, 12 weeks and older. So, you get your puppy and you can start cleaning their ears once a month, or if your pet has floppy ears or they swim a lot or they're prone to ear infections, and there are some breeds that are prone to ear infections, then cleaning their ears more often is recommended, because they have both a horizontal and vertical canal. So vertical canal, ear canal, is what you see when you look into their ear, and then the horizontal is, kind of the same thing as ours. So that vertical canal where, you're seeing their ear, that can get gunk built up. So just taking one of these wipes, wiping out their ears, and then you're good to go. So that's the ear cleaner. So super important to make sure that their ears are being cleaned. And then, if you have a new pet, you're generally looking for something to keep them clean. Especially puppies can get very messy. So if you're looking for a shampoo that is gentle for their skin, definitely look at the Oatmeal and Aloe shampoo. And so that's the next one here. It's a great, safe, and effective anti-itch treatment. It helps relieve skin irritations, it promotes healing, and remoisturizes sensitive and dry, itchy skin. But because it's so gentle and soothing, and it's got all those great ingredients to help clean and heal and soothe the coat, it's great for puppies as well, and kittens. So this can be used for dogs and cats, although cats you're less likely to bathe them. But kittens, sometimes they need baths too because they get into all sorts of things. So this is a great option because it's soothing, it's gentle, it's soap and alcohol free, so it's safe to use with topical flea and tick medication, so you're not going to wash off that super important flea and tick medications on them. It leaves your pet clean, smooth, and shiny, and can be used often as necessary because it's not going to strip their coat. So a great option, aloe vera helps with itching, soothes skin, and moisturizes the skin. Oat protein is anti-inflammatory. It soothes and itches and soothes itching and irritations. And then wheat germ oil softens the skin, reduces inflammation, and moisturizes. So all three of those together make it a really great shampoo that soothes and calms, especially jittery puppies and kittens, and pets who are just itchy overall. So it's a great option as a nice, gentle shampoo that you can use as often as necessary. So whether it's the once a week bath that you give your dog, or once a month bath that you give your pet, or a couple times a week for your itchy pet or your messy puppy, the Oatmeal and Aloe shampoo is a great option for that because it's just so gentle on their skin that it's a great option for those new puppies and kittens. And like I said, it's soap free, it's alcohol free, it's not going to strip their coat of anything, and it's not going to interfere with the topical flea and tick medication, which is super important when it comes to a new shampoo for your new pet, or any pet, because you don't want to strip off those things that they need on their skin. So Oatmeal and Aloe shampoo, a great option for your new puppy or kitten. And finally, we're going to talk about some of our supplements. So we also have our 5-in-1, which I don't have out here either, but our 5-in-1 multivitamin is also a great option for a new pet, especially large breed dogs. They grow so fast that having a multivitamin in their diet is a great option, just because growing so fast, they might not be getting all of the nutrients that they need from their pet food. So adding in the 5-in-1 multivitamin or one of our omega-3 chews is great, especially, like I said, for those large breed dogs. So omega-3 fatty acids are different polyunsaturated fats that are essential for healthy cellular development and organ function in dogs and cats, and mammals too. So, omega-3s benefit us as well. There's short and long chain types of omega-3s, and the two long chain omega-3s that benefit dogs the most and cats are EPA and DHA. EPA is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and research has shown that EPA is highly effective in reducing cartilage-damaging enzymes in pets' bodies. So EPA is great for reducing overall body inflammation, which can cause itching, scratching, biting. It's also great for helping for bone and joint health. So if your pet is, EPA is great for that cartilage building to help keep those bones strong and healthy. DHA is praised for its vision and cognitive support. And studies in growing puppies have shown that DHA plays a big role in properly developing neurologic tissue and improving retinal development and cognitive functioning. So if you have a human baby, you might see a lot of infant formulas have DHA added to them as well. And so the same principle goes for our puppies and kittens, that DHA really helps to strengthen the development of the cognitive function in our pets. Both of these products have omega-3s in them, which is super important. We have our Salmon Omega Chews, and then we have our Catalyst Plus. The Salmon Omega has less EPA and DHA than the Catalyst Plus. The Catalyst Plus also has vitamin E in it as well. So really the biggest difference between these is the Catalyst Plus has more omega-3s in them, and has a higher dosage of the EPA and the DHA than the Salmon Omegas. But both of them are a great option for your growing puppy. Catalyst is much more of a concentrated chew, so I can open these up. So the Catalyst looks like this, and really for a puppy that is going to be under 30 pounds, you'd give half of one of these to them a day. So, going up from there, 30 to 60 pounds gets one of these a day, and then dogs over 60 pounds get 2 of these a day. So it's much more concentrated into a small chew. They have a synthetic cheese flavor to them, so, it is a strong smell. It's a strong cheese smell. So if your dog really loves cheese, I would recommend these ones. So they're not going to interfere with a diet at all because it's such a, so concentrated in a small chew. And then the Salmon Omega Chews, they're not as concentrated, but they have a different taste to them, and they look like this. So these are much better for giving a couple of treats. Especially if you're training a puppy. I would recommend the Salmon Omega Chews or Salmon Omega Bites because for these, up to 20 pounds is 2 of these a day. So they're much more of a good training treat because you give a couple of more. Over 60 pounds gets 6 of these a day. It's you can give 3 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. So a great way to use as a training treat and get their omega-3s in there that way. So those are omega-3s. So omega-3s are great for developing puppies because as they're growing, they're needing all the support they can get. Like I said, especially those large breed dogs that grow so fast, having an omega-3 support in a chew for them is great for their development. It's not likely that it's in their pet food. Omega-3 is not necessarily something that's going to be in their pet food, so having it in a supplement, because you can't get it from, your body doesn't synthesize omega-3s, so you have to get it by ingesting it. So ingesting it through a supplement is a great way to get those omega-3s to help support their development and to help with reducing any inflammation that they might have in their bodies. So not only great for puppies, but great for any dog that is suffering from itching, scratching, and biting, seasonal allergies or allergies year-round, and they're just kind of itchy. Combining one of the omega-3 supplements with our Oatmeal and Aloe shampoo can really help to reduce that inflammation, reduce that itching, and make your pet feel much more comfortable. So that's everything that we're talking about today. So if you have a new puppy or kitten, congratulations. I hope that you check out these products because I think that these that give a good solid foundation to the, in addition to your basics like a leash and water bowl and kitten or puppy food, or things like that. These are great add-ons to really help your pet start their life happy and healthy, and really help extend beyond that, so they're supported from their puppyhood or kittenhood all the way through their senior and golden years. So thank you for tuning in, and hope to see you next time.